Hi guys, I will show you how to create Google form today and how to store information in Excel spreadsheet. So first of all, you need to be signed in with your Google account. You can see that I'm already signed in. Once you're signed in, on the search bar, you will type Google Forms and then search it. You will see the first website, Google Forms, online form creator. You will need to click on it. You'll get to see this option, go to forms. Please go ahead and click on it. Google will provide you some predefined formats, but to understand how to create a Google form, we will click on the blank form and build it from the scratch. So first of all, we will define the title of this form. We are taking an example of a school registration form. First question should be the roll number. Question would be roll number. Now this is a short answer. Here you can see there are multiple options given as per your requirement. So this is going to be a short answer, so we will click on it. Would it be a required information? I believe yes, because without roll number, registration cannot happen. So I will click on this required slider. Then I will go ahead and add another question by clicking on this plus icon. I will enter another question that would be student's name. Again, this is going to be a short answer. Now, the third question that we would ask is address. Since this is not going to be a short answer and it's going to be a longer information, we will select paragraph. We will add one more question that could be gender, and this is going to be multiple choice questions. So the first option would be male, second option would be female, next question would be email address. This is going to be a short answer information. So we pretty much added all the information that is required for the registration. We will see how we've created it and how this form looks like. In order to see that, you will see this icon uh, preview. You can click on it. You can see, I'll just show you how to enter the information. See, this information has been submitted. Now, if you want to see how this information is stored at the moment, you'll go back to your previous tab and you'll see there is a option response stored in this form. Here, there is an option of linking this information or linking this form to the Excel spreadsheet. You can click on it. Google will show you a dialog box. You would be asked for the spreadsheet's name. Just click on create. Google will create a Google spreadsheet in the Google Drive and store the information uh, in tabular format. And I think it would be useful to have the information in Google spreadsheet in tabular format. Now, how, okay, so we pretty much, we've added all the information that is required in the form. We've created the Google spreadsheet. If we want to format this form a little bit, we can do that as well. On the top, customize theme option, you can click on this icon. You will see there are multiple options. You can change the text style. You can change the text style of questions. I'll quickly go ahead and change the color of this form. For example, let's say if you want to choose red or blue or any other color that you would like to choose. You can also add an image on the header. So for example, let's say if you want to add the school image, if right now I don't have any image, so I'll just take an example of this image and I'll insert it. It's showing here now. You can also use this send button in order to send the link of this form to the users. And either choose via email. If you want to you send it by email, you can enter the email address where you want this information to be sent, or you can also copy the link and copy it and send it to any of the WhatsApp or Telegram group. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope that you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'm sure the content was useful for you. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice day.